Once upon a time, in a bright and colorful jungle, lived a young lion named Leo. Leo was different from other lions. While others roared, hunted, and showed their strength, Leo quietly helped others. He gently guided baby turtles to the pond, helped little ants cross the road, and gave shade to tired birds on sunny days. He believed that helping others brought more happiness than showing off power. But not everyone understood him. "Such a quiet lion," laughed the hyenas. "Real lions roar. You'll never be king," mocked the parrots. Even the little foxes whispered, "He's too soft to survive in the wild." Still, Leo smiled and said, "One day, you'll see. Kindness can roar louder than anger." One morning, jungle drums echoed dum-dum-dum. The Jungle Council had announced the Great Jungle Race. A race of speed, strength, courage, and heart. All the animals got excited. Cheetah stretched her legs. Elephant practiced stomping. Monkey jumped between branches. Leo quietly signed up. "I may not be the fastest, but I'll try my best." The night before the race, Leo sat by the moonlit river. He looked at the stars and said, "I just want to do something good, something that matters." The next day, animals gathered near the old mango tree. "On your marks, get set, go." The ground shook, dust flew, animals ran like the wind. Leo ran too, not fast, but steady. Along the way, he helped a turtle who got stuck in vines. He lifted a fallen fruit off a porcupine's path. Every few steps, he smiled and waved to cheering kids from the jungle school. Then came the river bend. Suddenly splash! Cheetah slipped in the mud and cried in pain. Her leg twisted. She winced, unable to move. Others raced ahead. No one looked back, except Leo. He rushed to her side. "Are you okay? It hurts." "Go on without me," she said. But Leo gently helped her sit under a tree. He wrapped her leg with big leaves and fetched water in a coconut shell. "Why would you stop for me?" she asked. "Because winning doesn't matter," Leo replied, "but helping someone does." By the time they returned, the race was over. Zebra had won. Everyone clapped. But when they saw Leo slowly walking in, helping Cheetah, the jungle fell silent. The wise elf from the council stood up and said, "Leo may not have come first, but he came forward when it mattered." Everyone cheered. The monkeys clapped, the birds chirped in harmony, and even the hyenas stayed quiet. Cheetah smiled and said, "You're the bravest lion I know, not because of your strength, but because of your heart." From that day on, Leo was no longer just kind. He became King Leo, the lion with the loudest heart. And in that jungle, all the young ones learned, kindness is a strength, and sometimes the softest roar changes the world.